What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, and I'm back, baby, with another video. Back. Man, I'm about to rap. Ali came down, new tail lights on the back of them red. That's what I said. No OEM aftermarket, that's for sure. Ali came down, hoping they really glow in the dang dark. Man, I'm about to. Nah, I'm about to fart. This kind of gross. Hey, what's up, everybody? Man, welcome back to the channel. So y'all see, yes, I got some new tail lights for red here. I'm about to put on her today, man. It should be a quick video. I think this has probably been the biggest gripe about my truck, trying to find some tail lights that I actually like, man. I have not found any to this day that I really like. And so what I did here with these, I just basically spray tinted them with the VH tint spray. I put a link to that video right there. You want to go check that out, you can. And also I just swapped with LEDs. So that's what I decided to do until I can find some lights that I like. I had a set before. If you've been watching the channel for a while, I did not like those. I took them off and I think I sold them. Yeah, I sold them. And then I had an extra set I sent somebody. So I didn't like for those either. So the ones I really like are like the Raptor style or the ones on the Lariat. Those trim with the, you know, the LED strip on my year. My year's a 2015, guys. So I think 2015, 2017, they had like just this lights up here. This strip lights up. But like on the 2018s now, they have like that 3 figure, like a W. They look like a W. I try to put a picture right there. I really love those. That's the one I like the most, but can't really find none for my year. Kind of found something, bro. Y'all gonna see here in a second. But I actually had a deal set up with my boy F150 Eco Beast on some like the Lariat trim ones that I was gonna get, but fortunately, man, accident happened, so those didn't come through. But I appreciate you trying F150 Eco Beast. Y'all go check out the YouTube channel too, man. Good dude. So I found some other ones here online via Facebook group, and I guess I'll just go ahead and show y'all how they look. Yes, sir. So that's how they look, man. So yeah, we go put those on. Like, again, I found those in a Facebook group. A guy posted them, and I just thought they looked dope. And so another guy, his name was Blake. I forget your last name, Blake. I don't want to put your last name out there anyway. My man Blake, if you ever watch this video, bro, thank you so much. Let me tell y'all, Blake was amazingly helpful, bro. He has a 20, I think he has an 18, but he told me everything I would need to make it happen, man. And I'm gonna show y'all that with y'all really quick. But again, Blake, bro, I really appreciate it. So of course you need your tail lights. So these tail lights do come with the bliss module, as you can see here. Let me get these a little closer for y'all. They have the bliss module right there. My truck does not have bliss, so what you need to overcompensate that is this here. It's the bliss blocker. So basically it just sits right here in this housing and blocks it off like that. Boom. So it's not open to the elements. Now my other guy, F150 Eco Beast, said you could just tape it up, whatever suits your preference. I just went with those. I didn't know time, but you got the bliss blockers that's going to go here. You also need a harness. Since my truck does not have bliss, the blind spot monitoring system, and the LED conversion tail light, so you have to get this adapter here to, I don't know if it makes them work or you just need the adapter. I'm not sure. I think you need the adapter for the bliss component. I think. Y'all comment below. Y'all know better than I do probably. But anyway, you got to have a harness. So this is the 15 to 17 harness that you're going to need. If you have bliss, you don't need this. But if you do, if you don't, you do. And then of course the resistor here to present any hyper flash. You can buy these. You can buy these harnesses without resistors, but you're gonna have hyper flash, and you probably have to use forescan to turn it off. No big deal, up to you. But I got it with the resistor already on there, and then that's why you need these screws, because you have to mount these resistors to the actual body of the truck here. That's it, man. That's pretty much a simple tail light change, besides just with the harness. So the harness is plug and play. Should be super easy, super simple. I just hope they come out good, guys. I have not found any tail lights I like to date, and these are the ones. They are super black. I'm a little worried about that, how I'm gonna look with the red with the black contrast. I mean, I got a red and black truck, as y'all can see. It's pretty much red and black, but you know, just that super dark black contrast. Anyway, I'm talking, let's go ahead and get this install started, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the bliss blockers first on each one. And good thing with the bliss blockers, they do give you the screws you need to fill your holes here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that first. I can't tell y'all off the bat, if you can see here, the holes don't line up 100%. So these 3 line up, but the 4th one doesn't line up at all, actually. So that's just something to take note. I don't think it's a big deal. If I can get 3 out of the 4 in there, that should be pretty good. I mean, I think that's just what you deal with when you get aftermarket parts. You know, it's just kind of part of the game. The fitment isn't going to be 100%. It's on, as you can see. Nothing to it, nice and easy. Okay, guys, now we're going to add our harness here. So should be pretty simple, should be plug and play. I'm guessing green goes to green here. So you had to take this whole clip off right here. So the whole clip, this whole back end comes off. Trippy. The other one, you just pull the 2 tabs right here and the whole thing comes off. Flash. Okay. There it is. Get that one off. This goes in there. Whew. I almost dropped the stock one. Should be green to green. Yep. Then it should be red to red here, or brown to brown, however you want to categorize it. Here, and it should just plug into this. You just want to make sure they line up for the, boom, they snap. So, that's it. It's connected. Now, what I have to do next is I'm gonna mount my resistor, probably over here somewhere, because it gets pretty hot. Like, I think it's already hot right now against my hand. So I'm mount it probably in here somewhere. Once I get the tail light a little closer, it's just hard for me to see. I'll show y'all what it looks like once I mount it. Like I said, I'm using number 6. These are self-drilling screws. Number 6 and number 6 1/2 inch. So look at this. Actually, one of these came broke. I ain't never seen it before. Anyway. Okay, guys. So that is where I end up mounting it right there. As you can see, it's not that bad. It's not that. Just make sure you got a powerful enough drill to really mount that in there, because mine wasn't, but I got it through. Hope I don't have to take that out one day, because that's gonna be a pain to get out. I'm mounting here because that's where the tail light goes. I didn't think about that, so I have to go up in there. It is a little tricky to get my hand in there and try to get situated. That's probably the hardest thing, just having my hand and the size of my hands to get in there and do that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish put tail light in and show you how it looks. All right, guys, I'm not sure what's going on here, but you can see, like, when I started to put it in and tighten everything up, only half of the bar is showing. So I'm having issues, and I'm probably just gonna go ahead and return these because, like, I don't know what's going on. Like, only half of the bar is showing. I'm not sure if y'all can see there, but yeah. So that sucks. Not sure if it's a connection issue or what. Let's see. See? Let me see, which one is it? Maybe it's not that one. It's not that one. Yeah, I'm not doing anything. I'm just pushing on the connectors, make sure they're full, they're flush. Yeah, and it's not working. So I'm not sure if this is just a bad product or what, but yeah, man, these aren't working. All right, so we're gonna go and do everything and put it back and send them back. All right, unfortunately, guys, that did not go the way I wanted to. So I got the stock ones back on now. Man, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I think I might just stay with my stock tail lights and I might just repaint them one more time, a coat darker. But yeah, I'm gonna send these back. Probably everything I got back. I like the way the lights look, man. So if the company watching this video see this, they are some good looking lights. But we'll probably just rock the stock ones, to be honest with you. Unless I can get some OEM like Raptor ones or something like that. But that's all I got. Catch y'all next week. Peace.